Welcome to the Food and Beverage Chat tutorial. Connecteam's Chat is the best place for you to manage your daily communication with your employees and teams. By using the chat, you can avoid receiving tons of phone calls and gather all of your work communications in one place. As a manager, you have full control of all team chats, permissions, and messages sent. Food and beverage companies usually utilize the team chats option to create team chats according to the different positions or branches that they have in the company. For example, an all manager chat for a position, or a team chat based on a location, such as the New York bunch. You can easily start a new chat by clicking on the Add New button and selecting the type of chat that you wish to create. You can start a one-on-one chat with any individual in your company. You can also start a team chat based on smart groups or select users. Let's create one for all user group to welcome your employees to the company chat. All I do is select the title for the team chat, select the relevant group, and I'm done. It is that easy. Another option would be to create a channel. This would be a one-way street to make sure your important announcements are received. In the channel, you will be able to send a message, and your employees can only view its content without being able to respond. In the chat itself, you have many options to communicate with your employees. You can, of course, write a text. You can add an image, a file, a video, and many more. You can even add an internal shortcut to link your employees to a specific feature within the system. As a manager, you will be able to monitor all of the existing team chats in your company, even if you're not a part of them. Just access the Manage Teams and Channel tabs to get a better overview of all of the existing chats you have, and select the Added option to add yourself into any chat you wish. You are also able to set advanced conversation settings options that are unique to Connecteam's work chat and will guarantee that you stay on top of your main communication tool like never before. As you can see, the chat is a great way to improve the internal communication in your company and keep your employees professional and work-oriented while on duty. Thank you for joining me. Feel free to reach out with any questions.